So this is a 2025 January Pure Mathematics 1 paper. So the first question is going with the integration. So we know there's a rule with the integration. If we have x to the power n dx, so what we will take is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So we're going to have that. To do that, we need to have the x power. So let's format our y, or whatever the fx. We can call it fx. This is the function of f. So the fx is going to be 8x to the power 3 minus 6 root x minus 2 divided by 5x to the power 3. So we know 8x to the power 3, this is in the normal format. So we can take the 6 and x to the power half, because root is half a power, minus 2 divided by 5, and the x will be taken up, so it will be negative 3. So this is our function. So now what we're going to do is we're going to integrate this. So when we are doing integration for this value, what we can have is we can see this will be pretty straightforward. So the very first question, 8 will be there, so I'll write it in here. You have 8 here, and x to the power, it's 3 plus 1. So if it is 3 plus 1, so we're going to have 4. So x to the power 4 divided by 4. Then minus 6 is there. Then x to the power half plus 1, which will be 3 divided by 2. So that is x to the power 3 divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 2. And minus 2 over 5. And then negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. So we can take it x to the power negative 2 divided by negative 2. Okay, so once we have it, we know this is our answer. So this one, when you further divide the 8 and 4, so you're going to get 2x to the power 4. And here this negative 6, and when you divide it by 3 over 2, so what we will take is negative 4x and 3 to the power 2. And the minus that will be positive, so positive 1 over 5 x to the power negative 2. So we have to make sure that we put the c, which is the constants of integration. Yeah, that will be our answer. So if we want to, like, to make this answer good looking, so we can do something like this. We can keep the positive powers as it is, then x to the power 3 over 2. Here we can take the x power down so that we can see a positive powers only. So this is our final answer. This will give you all the marks of 4 with the workings. Thank you.